Hello guys, today is February 19, 2026. This is aftermath after the snowstorm. No, the storm hasn't ended yet, hasn't stopped yet. Tomorrow we'll stop at 7 a.m. So I'll show you guys how it looks outside our back patio. Okay. So there you go. Still snowing. Though our roof is covered with snow, guys. Oh, look at my aloe vera. Poor guy. Wawa naman, no? Sana mabuhay siya after this winter. Yeah. It's so cold. See? It's still snowing. I'll try to focus it so you can see it. It was heavier snow earlier. Doing icicles. Ito. Oops. Kunin ko isa ha. Ito. So bundle up, guys, and take care. Grabe yung sa freeway, off and on sila sa pagiging stranded doon sa 5 North freeway. Grabe. Tapos napaka hangin kanina, you know. Alam mo yung blizzard. May blizzard dito every day. Yeah, sobrang lamig, grabe. Tapos kahapon, ulit, yung husband ko, nag-shovel ng snow kahit na napaka blizzard.